Hello everyone. Welcome back to Money Talk with Ben. I'm Benjamin Bookkeeper, your financial guide, and today, we're delving into a topic that can transform your financial landscape. Frugal living tips. If you're ready to save more and spend wisely, you're in for a treat. Let's jump right in. Frugal living is not about deprivation, it's about making intentional choices that align with your financial goals. It's a mindset that can lead to significant savings over time. The first tip is to embrace the frugal mindset. It's a shift from mindless spending to mindful choices. One of the foundations of frugal living is having a budget. Knowing where your money is going allows you to allocate funds wisely, avoid unnecessary expenses, and prioritize what matters most. A well-crafted budget ensures your money aligns with your values and goals. Let's talk about groceries. Plan your meals, make a shopping list, and stick to it. Buying in bulk, using coupons, and opting for store brands are savvy strategies to cut costs. Smart grocery shopping is a cornerstone of frugal living. It puts you in control of your food expenses. Frugal living extends to your wardrobe and home. Explore thrift stores for hidden gems. You'll be amazed at the quality items you can find at a fraction of the cost. Thrift store finds not only save you money but also contribute to sustainable living. Get creative with do-it-yourself projects. From home decor to repairs, DIY endeavors can save you money and add a personal touch to your surroundings. Embracing your inner handy person or artist is a fantastic way to live frugally. Being mindful of energy consumption is both frugal and environmentally friendly. Turn off lights when not needed, unplug devices, and consider energy-efficient appliances to lower utility bills. Small changes in energy habits can lead to significant savings over time. And there you have it. Frugal living tips that can make a real impact on your financial well-being. If you want to learn about the importance of an annual financial checkup, click the link above to check out my previous video. And stay tuned for my next video on types of investments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips. What are your favorite frugal living strategies? Share them in the comments below. Until next time, stay financially savvy.